To set up a Photoshop document, you want to go into Creative Cloud, and it's a good idea to double check that Photoshop is up to date because they have a lot of updates. You can go ahead and open and wait for it to load. Okay, and when you're in here, I recommend that you create a new file that is has the same dimensions and layout as your sketch paper so that when you add things to your website, they'll be consistent. So my paper is 9 by 12. I'm going to go ahead and create my new document. And then to add one of my sketches, I'm going to go to File, Place Embedded, and I'm going to look for the sketch that I want to use. So for this one, I'm going to use my swimsuit trio. If you want to make any adjustments, my sketch is filling the page, so I'm going to make it a little bit smaller just so I have some room to work with. Once I like it, I'm just going to hit enter to finish it. And then the last step is to go to Layer